I noticed that there was a kid that got on the seesaw.
Okay.
And I wonder why she put the box and the brick on the other side of the seesaw.
Blake, what did you notice and wonder?
I noticed that she at first she got on the seesaw with nothing on the other side, and I wonder why she put the brick in the box on.
Okay, that's a good wonder and a good notice. Charlie, Braylon, do you guys have anything? Charlie, what did you notice?
I noticed that she didn't have any friends around to sit on the seesaw, and I wondered why she put the box and 2 bricks in it.
Okay, so she didn't have any friends. Can you seesaw with just one person? Is it fun to seesaw with one person? Braylon, what's neat about a seesaw?
It goes up and down.
I can't hear you. Can you talk a little bit louder?
It goes up and down.
It goes up and down, but what do you need on the other side to make it go up and down?
A friend.
Do what?
A friend.
You need a friend. But Charlie noticed she didn't have any friends. Where are her friends? Sophie, why do you think she put the bricks on the other side?
I think so then she didn't have to get a friend, maybe.
Maybe she wouldn't need a friend if she was there all by herself. Maybe she's going to use the bricks. The people that just joined us, Janie and Elena, did you get a chance to see the video, or would you like me to show it one more time? Let me show it one more time. I'm gonna show the video once more because I think we had some people pop in. Let me get out of that and go back. I can't see. Move this out of the way. Back here. I'm gonna play this video once more, and the other kids in the call are just telling me what they notice and what they wonder about this little video. All right. If you just joined us, I'm going to go back to Miss Jamie's screen. And Miss Jamie, let me find Miss Jamie and spotlight her for a minute.
Got it.
Oh, thank you, Miss Jamie. This is what if you just joined us, this is what some of our friends noticed and they wondered as they watched that video. They saw that there was a little girl on a seesaw. They're wondering, why did she put a box on the other side? Why was there a brick in the box? Where were her friends? And if she uses the bricks, does she need a friend? If you just joined us, Johanna, Elena, the ones that just joined us, do you guys have anything that you would like to add to our list?
Please. You can just come sit out here, see if you're interested.
Janie?
I would like to ask a question.
Sure.
My question is, why is she doing this? Like, how many bricks is she gonna put on this in the bucket?
Oh, good question, Janie. Why do you have that question? What are you thinking?
Because if we want to know, we want to know how much bricks she put in there, so you can see how much more the bricks weigh than her.
Ooh, I like where you're thinking. Elena, I see that your hand is up. I'm gonna unmute you.
Why did she put 2 bricks?
2 bricks. Why did she put 2 bricks? You guys are good wanderers.
Still on my board.
All right. Well, you guys, Janie, you guys are great notice and wanderers. We're going to break into small groups, and I'm going to share my screen once more. I want you to look at this question that's at the bottom of the screen, or I guess it's kind of in the middle now. How many bricks will it take to balance out the seesaw? Show me with your arms what's happening with her seesaw right now with no friend and no bricks. What's happening with her seesaw? Is it balanced? Is it balanced?
No.
No. I want you to make an estimate. I want you to estimate. How many of you have heard that word estimate? Is that a new word for anybody? Jovi's heard that word. Jovi, what does the word estimate mean?
It means you basically take a guess.
You're basically going to take an educated guess, right? A first guess. I'm going to break you into small groups, and what I want you to do is I want you and your partner to make an estimate of how many bricks you think it might take to balance out the seesaw. What would a balanced seesaw look like? Show me with your arms. What would a balanced seesaw? So if we're balanced, we're gonna be straight across, right? Right now, is the seesaw balanced?
No.
All right, so you have 2 questions, 2 things. First, make an estimate. How many bricks will it take to balance the seesaw? And the second thing that I want you to do is I would like for you to think of what information do I need to know in order to solve this problem? Okay? Got it? I'm going to put you in breakout groups. Let's see, how many people do we have? 15 people. We're going to go into 7 groups, so you'll have 2 or 3 people in your group, okay? All right. When you see your blue button pop up, go ahead and go into your room.
Hey, our partner left. Oh, there's our partner.
Did they come back in?
Yeah, there they are, I think. So how many? I'm just gonna need us and she can talk about it.
Okay.
I'm gonna add her.
Oh. Whose name is hello?
Jenna.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna let you know, please keep this session on private the next time, okay? Because you posted this link on Twitter, okay? So anyone right now, if they find the link, they can join.
Okay.
It can be any random person. I'll let you know, I'm a completely random person, right? But if someone else wanted to join and start sharing inappropriate content, they could easily do it.
Thank you very much.
So please do keep it on private the next time, okay?
Okay.
Add a password.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you. All right. I think we have everyone back. I'm going to unmute everybody. Share with me what you guys thought. What were some of your estimates that you came up with? Joby, what was your estimate?
So I thought we would need the weight of the. You may not be able to see this. I thought we would need the weight of the girl, which I just guessed it was 48. And the weight of the brick was 2. So I guessed it was 24.
Cool. I like where your thinking was. Good estimate, Joby. Elena, what was your estimate?
We needed to know the weight of the girl and the weight of the brick so we can find out.
The weight of the girl and the weight of the brick. That are 2 things that we need to know, don't we? Can we solve this problem if we don't know either thing? No. What else do we need to know? Or what else? Or what were some of your estimates? Excuse me. So Joby's estimate was 24 bricks. Brooklyn, what was your estimate?
Mine was 24 too.
Yours was 24 also?
Mm-hmm.
Anybody have a different estimate? Brooklyn, how did you come up with your estimate?
I just I needed to know the weight of the girl and the weight of the bricks too. So I just thought, let's do this and see if it works out.
Oh, cool. I like it. So you guys are very smart cookies because that's the next step of our problem. We're going to look at Act 2 of our problem. Act 2, you guys decided that we needed to know how much the girl weighs and how much the bricks weigh in order to figure out what balances them out. You agree? So let's look. The weight of a brick, 1 brick equals 5 pounds. Everybody show me with your hands. How much does 1 brick equal? 5 pounds. So she already has 2 bricks in her basket. Show me with your hands. How much does she have in her basket already? How many pounds? She has 2 bricks, which is 5 pounds for one, 5 pounds for another.
It's 10.
That's 10 pounds. Okay. Let's see what else we need to know. Oh, look at that. Our girl is standing on a scale. How much does she weigh, Elena?
60 pounds.
60 pounds. So if each brick is 5 pounds and she weighs 60 pounds, I'm going to break you back into small groups, and I want you and your partner to solve this problem and see if your estimates were close. Okay?
So we had
The brick is 5 pounds. Here's the brick. The brick is 5 pounds. And the girl weighs 60 pounds. You guys are already solving. I love you guys so much. Look at you. You're already scribbling on your paper. All right, let's break you into groups. I want you to talk with your partners, okay?
60 pounds.
Let's see. I want to recreate these. Let's go down to 6 rooms. All right. See you soon.
Join.
Please don't break
Mommy. Mommy. I don't know if you're asking close to what?
Hey, Brooklyn. Hey, Janie.
I need help. I'm confused.
Okay. Let's think about it. I'm going to share my screen. I've got a tool we're going to look at, okay?
Okay.
All right. I pulled up this balance, kind of like a seesaw, right?
Yeah.
How much does the girl weigh on the one side of the seesaw?
60.
She weighs 60 pounds. So how much is one brick?
5 pounds.
5 pounds. Is that going to balance my seesaw, just one brick?
No.
All right, let's add another brick. Now how much weight do I have?
10.
Is that going to balance my seesaw?
No.
Should we add another one? Now what do I have?
15.
I have 15. Shall I add another one?
Yes. 20.
Okay. You guys tell me what to do. Keep adding or stop?
Keep adding
Keep adding.
Okay.
until you get to 60.
Keep adding until I get to 60. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna keep adding. It's gonna be hard to see here.
Well, actually, until it's equal.
Until it's equal. What happened?
It became equal.
It became equal. We balanced it. So how many times did we have to add that? 5, 10.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Yep, there's one more that we can't see over there. I wish I wonder if I make this bigger, if it'll get bigger. Oh, it doesn't get bigger. I wish it went to the other line. So how many times did we have to add it?
So you had to add it 10 times.
10 times?
Mhm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's more than 10. Let's count by fives 10 times with our fingers. 5,
1,
10,
10,
15,
15,
20,
20,
25,
25,
30,
30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Is that enough?
No. 55, 60,
How many times do we have to add a brick?
12,
So how many bricks does it take?
12.
All right. Can you sketch out your work and be ready to explain to the group?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Awesome. Good job, girls.
Couple of seconds so you can actually see. Until right now.
Hi, guys.
Come here.
Hey, Miss Blake. Did you get it figured out?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right. I think everybody's getting back. We can go across here and look. All right, give me a quick thumbs up. Who was able to figure out how many bricks it was going to take to balance the seesaw? Ooh, Braylon, Elise, Elena, Charlie. Good. Jovi, let me go back this way. Awesome. Janie too. Good. Who feels comfortable showing us how they solved their problem? Miss Jamie, could you sketch out some of our strategies?
I sure can.
All right. Who feels comfortable? Blake, do you want to share your strategy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Show us what you got, girlfriend.
So I started at 5 because one brick was 5 pounds. So I put 5 and I counted up to 60, counting by 5s. And then I counted the numbers, and then I got 12 bricks.
Cool. So you did 5 plus 5 plus 5 until you got to the total sum of what?
60.
Cool.
Can I see your paper, Blake?
Can you hold your paper up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you used a
On a number line. I see it. Okay.
I like that. Blake, was your estimate correct?
Mm-hmm. No.
No. Were you close?
No.
No. It helps when you know how much the girl weighs and how much the brick weighs, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so Miss Amy is going to show Blake's strategy. She counted up by 5s using a number line until she got to 60. Blake, can you explain to me how you knew that you needed 12 bricks? Because there's a lot of numbers on there. Can you explain how you knew it was 12 bricks?
So I counted 5, 10, 15, 20, and I counted those numbers on the number line. And then the total number on the number line had 12 numbers.
Very cool. So did you count that very first number, that 0?
No.
Why can't we count the 0, Blake?
Then it would be 13 because zero is not really like a number that you would use
Why not?
because it's not. It doesn't. It doesn't like tell you how much you have or anything.
Yeah, if I have zero bricks in my basket, is it gonna do anything to my seesaw?
No.
Well,
No, it has no weight. If we have 0 bricks, there's no weight. Good job, Blake. So you said 5 was your first brick, yeah? Okay. And can you walk us through? So you did 1 brick, 2 bricks, 3 bricks. Do you see what Miss Jamie is doing? She's making a double number line. Look at that.
What would you title that?
Isn't that a cool way to show your thinking? So when Miss Jamie finishes, we're going to very easily see that 12 bricks has the value of how many pounds?
That bricks, and then this one.
12 bricks has how many pounds, Blakey? 60. All right, Miss Elena, I see that your hand's up.
Hold on, one sec. Miss Jana?
Yes, go ahead.
You told me this was the bricks. What is this number line called?
Oh. If we label our number lines, the top one's the bricks. What's the bottom one?
pounds.
Good job.
Thanks. I just want to make sure I got it right.
So we could say for every 1 brick, there are 5 pounds, yes?
Mm-hmm.
That's our relationship?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Elena, what you got, girlfriend?
So what I did was, I drew a little seesaw.
Oh, can we see?
I drew a little seesaw,
Oh, very cool.
and I drew a girl in a basket.
Okay.
And then, under I labeled bricks weight and weight of the girl.
Very cool, Elena.
And then when you told us the weight of the girl, 1 brick equals 5 pounds. And the girl weighs 60 pounds.
Okay.
And then 2 bricks equals 10 pounds.
Oh, so you kind of made like a T-chart. What did you do after you found 2 bricks? So Miss Jamie, first she said 1 brick is 5 pounds, 2 bricks is 10 pounds, and she knows she's trying to get to 60. What did you do after that, Elena? Can you
Girl
talk?
is 60. And so I did 60 divided by 12.
How did you know?
Divided by 5.
Okay.
And then I got 12.
Why did you choose 60 divided by 5?
Because that's how much 1 brick weighs.
Very cool. So Elena took her total quantity of 60. Whoops. Took her total quantity of 60 and she divided it by 5 pounds. And how many times did 5 go into 60, Elena?
12. And then to check my work,
Ooh.
I did 12 times 5, and it equals 60.
Cool. Did you know the fact 12 times 5, or did you have to work that out?
I just did 11 times 5 and then so on.
Ooh, what's 11 times 5?
55.
Okay. Is that one that you knew in your head?
Mhm.
Yeah, that's a fact you knew in your head. So then you just had to add how many more groups?
1.
One more group of 5. Yeah.
And then I drew all 12 bricks in the box.
Cool. I like your thinking, Elena. Who else has a different strategy for solving? Or Miss Jamie, do you have any questions?
No, I am good with that one.
Okay.
Pretty cool.
Braylon, I see that your hand is up. Would you like to share?
I wrote counted by 5. And I keep on learning 5, 5, 5 until I got
Very cool. Can you count those bricks for me? Can you count by 5s for me? Or we'll help you if you point to them.
5, 15, 25, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
Good job, Braylon. I love that strategy. So you counted by groups of 5. And how many groups of 5 did you make? You got your total weight of 60. How did you know to stop at 60 pounds, Braylon? What told your brain to stop there?
She weighed
That's how much she weighed. Good job. And how many groups of 5 did you end up making? 12. Did you just count them afterwards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? Braylon, your strategy is a lot like Blake's strategy, but Blake did something similar, but she put hers on a number line, huh? And you drew your pictures out. I really like that. That one was Elena's, I think. All right. Cool strategies, guys. Who has a different strategy for solving that problem? All right, Chuck, what do you have?
I have a number line.
Okay.
If the girl weighs 60 and the bricks, all the bricks, one brick equals to 5 pounds. And I draw a number line to 60 because she weighs 60 and that's the girl's weight. I need 12 bricks. That gave me to 12 bricks.
How did you know it was 12, Char?
Cause whenever I counted by the ones under the 10s, it equaled to 12.
Good job. Good job, Charlie. I like that strategy. You and Blake were thinking a lot of like this morning. Anybody else have a strategy? Or are you guys ready? Jovi, what's your strategy? Let me, I think you're unmuted, Jovi.
So I wrote down the girl weighed 60 and the bricks weighed 5. So then I imagine, so I imagined a clock in my head.
Oh, why a clock, Jovi?
And when you got to 60 minutes, I would stop. And 60 is 12.
Oh my goodness. What is special, Jovi? What's special about a clock?
It counts by 5 sometimes.
Yeah.
Then each number is 5.
Each number is 5 minutes. Wow. Kiss your brain if you guys knew, like Jovi, that each number on the big clock is 5 minutes. You know what, Jovi? That is a very interesting number line. Also, we call that a circle number line. So you just used a clock, a circle number line. You made a great connection because clocks, the big numbers count by 5. And how many minutes are in an hour, boys and girls?
60.
There are 60 minutes in an hour, which is exactly how much our little girl weighs, yes? And she said that I knew if there were 12 big numbers and each number counted by 5, that I would get to 60. Look at Miss Jamie's drawing. She's gonna note it around the clock. So Jovi, your strategy is like Blake's and Charlie's and Braylon's, except you just put yours on a circle number line.
Yeah.
Wow. I am so glad that you shared that strategy. I never thought of that.
Me neither.
Elise, your strategy was kind of similar. Did you already share?
Who's?
Elise, the way that you thought about fives, did you already share? Yes.
We got Blake right here on her double number.
Elise was in our group. She thought about fives in a similar way. That's a real world way that she thought about fives.
Elise, would you like to share with us? Would you like to share your strategy, sweet?
You can do it. It's okay. Just talk through it. I'll hold it up. What did you do?
I counted by fives.
Let's see it. Oh, yeah. All right, Elise, can you talk? So you counted by fives. Where did you start? Did you start at 60 and count back, or did you start at 0 and count up?
0 count up.
You started at 0 and counted up.
Did you start at 0 or did you go straight?
5.
5, yeah.
Yeah. So you said 5, 10, 15, 20 on your line until you got to 60?
Yeah.
And then how did you know it was 12 bricks?
Because I counted how many numbers.
Very cool. I like it. Yours is also very similar. You guys have some similar thinking caps on. Brooklyn, would you like to share?
No, thank you.
You're good? Okay. Did we miss anybody that would like to share? Are you guys ready to test? You wanna see Act 3 if we were correct?
Mm-hmm.
How many of you think we were correct with our math? Yeah, Elena's positive. Brooklyn, Blake, I think.
I'm positive.
I'm positive. We've got some good mathematicians. We're gonna test it.
Hey, Miss Jana, before we go on, can I ask Elise a question?
Of course.
Elise, how'd you know how to count by fives?
So I know that 5 cents is a nickel also.
Oh, so you were kind of thinking about these as nickels? So each one of these would be like a nickel. One nickel, 2 nickels, 3 nickels. Is that how you thought of that?
Yeah.
Awesome. So I like it. You thought about it as nickels and Jovi thought about it as clocks, but we could all put those on the number line. Awesome thinking.
Guys, do you know what my favorite thing about math is? Is that we all can make connections to what we know and still get to the same solution, but we can solve it in a way that we know. Isn't that fun about math? Because all of your strategies, all of them, Charlie's strategy, Blake's strategies, Elena's, Brooklyn's, let's see, Jovi's, Braylon's, who am I missing? Elise. All of your strategies that you use today are really great strategies. And that's what I love about math, is that you can choose the strategy that works best for you and solve that problem. All right, are you guys ready?
Yes.
All right, let's see here. I helped, who did I help? Brooklyn and Jamie, I think. We ended up using a balance. We balanced it out, and we did 60 is equivalent to 5 plus 5 plus 5, and we kept adding them until we got 12 fives, and it balanced our buckets. All right, let's go back here. Anybody nervous? Are you feeling confident?
Confident.
I'm so proud of you mathematician. All right, let's watch. How much does the brick weigh?
5 pounds.
Is that going to do it? That's not going to balance her, is it? Do you guys think 2 bricks will do it?
No.
Not yet. 3?
No.
She's fast.
She's fast.
She's like,
11, 12.
that time she went slow.
Whoa.
Can she get up there? Does it balance her?
Yay.
Yeah.
If she stopped jumping, I bet it would sit still, right?
Yeah.
Does it balance her so she doesn't fly down to the ground?
Mm.
Yeah. And we probably have to account for a little bit of weight on the basket. All right, mathematicians, I'm very proud of you guys for the work that you did today. You're really great thinkers and collaborators. I really appreciate you joining me. Do you have any questions before we leave for the day? No? All right, well, I hope you all have a wonderful day, guys.
Another one of these?
Would you like to have another one, Elena? Yeah? Well, just for you, we might try to get another one scheduled. How's that sound? Yeah? Elena, what grade are you in?
3rd grade.
3rd grade. All right. We'll see if we can get some upper grade ones scheduled for you, okay? All right.
I'm in 3rd grade.
Bye. Who said that?
Me, Jovi.
Jovi. All right. We're going to get some upper grades scheduled for you guys.
Janie is too. Janie's 13.
I want another one too.
There's a lot of them.
I had so much fun doing some math with you guys today. Thank you for sharing your strategies and talking numbers with me. Hope you all have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye, guys.